Here are the awesome deals I got this month at Dollar Tree. All of these coloring books were $1.50 each, which is a terrific price. I think flowers are my favorite things to color. I couldn't decide which of the two botanical books on the top of this stack I should buy, so I got them both. This book is amazing. The cover art is so cheerful. I don't think I've seen this series of art books at the dollar store before. The illustrations are printed on both sides of the pages. The art is so lifelike, it's as if you're walking through a garden with a sketchbook. I decided to get this other flower art book too. It has the same kind of beautiful quality artwork, along with birds and butterflies. And even a ladybug. I get teased all the time about buying coloring books that are supposedly just for kids, but I think the artwork in this book is really something grown-ups would enjoy coloring too. The girl on the motorcycle. A tiger kitten with roses. The dog and cat eating popcorn. A cute little leopard cub. I was so happy to discover this book at Dollar Tree. Besides flowers, my other favorite theme to color is inspirational quotes. This book has fun, motivational sayings about travel. The pages and the illustrations are generously sized. And finally, I couldn't resist these extremely cute Crayola short pencils. They have become popular for adult coloring, so I wanted to try them out. I have been wondering how easy they would be to handle, and whether I would need to use a pencil extender. This is a small set of 8 pencils, which means I will need to do some blending to create more shades. I will do a coloring test and review of these short pencils in an upcoming video. Have you found any great art deals at the dollar store lately? Share your favorites in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to watch future episodes.